Hi everyone, I'm back again. Today I'm venturing into a new area, cooking. Okay, so I'm not a great cook. I know very simple cooking, but I thought whatever I know I'll share with you. I'm going to do a simple peanut masala chaat. Shall we start? So these are the basic ingredients. We need boiled peanuts. I boiled it in water, adding a little salt. Then we need chili powder, salt, little pepper powder, and chaat masala. And these are the vegetables. This is a healthy chaat because all vegetables are there. Children would love it. So, cucumber, carrot, capsicum, raw mango, which is a bit sweet. That will be more tastier. Onions, tomatoes, all finely chopped. And Muku has chopped a few of this. So he is also partly involved in this activity. So first what we have to do is take the boiled peanuts, transfer it into a bowl. So how much ever you need for your family, you can adjust the quantity. And then I'm adding chopped cucumber, carrots, capsicum, raw mango, tomato, onions. So all vegetables I have added, and finally I'm going to add the masalas. So if you want it very spicy, you can add little more, but I'm adding very little, a pinch of green chili, red chili powder, little pepper powder. Already we have boiled peanuts with salt, so I'm putting a little salt for the vegetables. And chaat masala. Without chaat masala, it won't be complete. So if you don't like chaat masala taste, you can avoid it. I'm adding very little. And you have to mix it well. All this has to be done by children. And one thing I forgot to tell you, all our lotus kids, most of them are very good in chopping vegetables. They cut it very nicely. So why I selected this peanut chaat is because they know to cut vegetables. So please make them cut vegetables. You don't cut for them. Let them do the cutting part. Nicely mix it. And the main ingredient, sorry, because of lockdown, I couldn't get it. It is coriander. So after mixing well, you have to garnish it with coriander leaves. So chaat is ready. Masala peanut chaat is ready. Doesn't it look colorful? I'm sure it will taste amazing. So please try it out. And you can present it like this. And if you like the taste of lemon, you can squeeze a bit of lemon juice. Those who like the lemon juice taste. And garnish it with coriander leaves. So peanut chaat is ready. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.